Welcome to Advanced Structural Analysis CVL 756. I am your course instructor and coordinator, Professor Suresh Balla, Civil Engineering Department, IIT Delhi. Structural analysis is something very much central to the structural engineering profession. All practicing structural engineers are expected to be very well versed in structural analysis, especially in dealing with computations involving digital platforms, so that they can design safe and economical structures. Course slot and the class timings, they are already communicated to you. Typically at IIT Delhi we have 40 minutes of the class followed by 10 minutes of discussion. So here are some other details. My office is situated in block 5, room number 102. If you use Google Maps, then you can just go around the campus and see where is block 5. At least you can virtually do that. Hopefully we'll be able to meet physically also very soon. My email ID is sballa@civil.iitd.ac.in, and my consultation timings are immediately after the class. We'll have either pre-recorded class of about 40 minutes or live class of about 40 minutes. In any case, immediately after the class we'll meet, and that's the best time to ask queries. If you have any other difficulty or query, you can of course consult me again anytime. The preferred time is 12 to 1. In case we have class at 12 to 1, then the preferred time is 1 to 2. If I receive any query during this time, the chances that I'll take care of it and reply instantaneously. However, all the queries must be sent through WhatsApp only, and we have specified here below. The course will have a dedicated MS Team channel, Advanced Structural Analysis, and by same name we are running a Facebook channel also. I have deliberately chosen two platforms so that in case of exigency at least one of them is reachable. Then our WhatsApp group will be CVL 756, and I need one volunteer who would make this WhatsApp group ready. So all the queries may please be sent to this WhatsApp group only rather than any individual query. Now our MS Team channel, this is the link to our MS Team channel. The link is also available in the course website, so you can just click it and one time effort would be there to join this channel, and this channel will be regularly used by us. We have a pre-recorded class or a live class. Immediately after the class we'll definitely meet at this particular channel. Coming to course contents, the most important and the central component of our course is the direct stiffness method for analysis of skeletal structures. 18 lectures will be devoted to that. Then after that we have plastic analysis of skeletal structures, 12 lectures. Then we have flexibility method for again analysis of skeletal structures, which will be 6 lectures. And then we have the analysis of plates and shells, again 6 lectures. In addition to these, we'll have a self-study component also. Now coming to marks distribution, we have 2 minor exams and 1 major exam. Each minor exam will be of weightage 20 marks and the major exam will be of 40 marks. There will be a joint group exercise on the implementation of the direct stiffness method on digital platform. That will be 15 marks, and 5 marks will be for attendance and participation. This makes the total marks as 100. Coming to the course material, this particular course is advanced in nature, so there is no single book available for this particular course. It's very important that you stay attentive in the lectures, and alongside lectures you may follow textbooks. We have listed here some of the important textbooks. The initial direct swiftness approach part will be based on Jenkins, and the plastic analysis will be based on Mixon. Ghali and Neville is a good reference book. Bhavikati is a good book for plates and shells. And if you need to brush up your elementary knowledge of undergraduate curriculum, you can use Yuan for that purpose. So all the books, they are available in the departmental library. In the e-library section, if you go, you'll find most of the books. We shall follow a multi-pronged approach in our teaching, learning, so that it's not monotonous. Sometimes we'll be having pre-recorded lectures which will be uploaded in prior, in Impartus and Facebook. You are expected to watch them during the first 40 minutes of the lecture and then come to MS Team channel for question, answers and discussion. Sometimes we may have full live session in the MS Team instead of any pre-recorded component. That part may be either through PowerPoint presentation or maybe in form of hand notes through document camera. PDF version of all the teaching material shall be uploaded online in our website and also Moodle. Past exam papers are also available in the course website. Some of the documents may need a password for opening, and that will be communicated to you if there. Now it's very important that when you come for the lecture, you keep a notebook and pen ready with you. Structural analysis is such a subject that we cannot learn simply by watching. It has to be practiced with hand. So that's why in the interaction sessions we'll be dealing with some of the questions and some of the problems will be solved online. So that's why it's very important you always develop the habit of writing or taking notes. Course website is http://web.iitd.ac.in/tilde/cvl756.html. You can just do a Google search with my name and you'll be able to find my website, and then you can go into the website of CVL756. Please note that as part of the course you must know how to do basic programming either in MATLAB or any other language or platform of your choice. The Computer Service Center periodically conducts MATLAB training sessions both online as well as physical sessions. So please be in touch with the Computer Service Center. Please keep visiting the website of the Computer Service Center for any updates. So with this, I thank you very much, and I hope that in the online mode you will find the subject as interesting as in the regular mode. I look forward to continuous feedback and suggestions. Immediately after watching this introductory video, please come to our MS Team channel where we do further interaction. Thank you very much.